Hi, my name is Mark Richards. I'm the CEO and founder of Elthidia. We manufacture the Koova garage organization system. Today, I'm going to show you how to install it. So your Koova garage organizer includes two 32-inch Koova struts. These are the brackets that actually hold everything onto the wall. All the hardware, 4 lag bolts, 4 washers, 10 Koova nuts, and 10 Koova bolts. In addition, we include 9 different brackets. To install the Koova garage organizer, you just need a few simple tools. You're going to need a drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit, a level, 7/16 inch wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and while not absolutely necessary, a stud finder makes it super easy to find a stud. First thing you need to do is determine how high you want your strut to be. So I've determined I want mine about this high. And the second thing is to find a stud. So to find a stud, just use your stud finder. And it's finding the edge. And about where the center is, place your mark. The second step is, once you've found your mark, is to drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole. So the next step is take a washer, put it on the lag bolt, and then put it about where you want it. Now holding it about level, just tighten up the lag bolt. Once you've installed the first lag bolt, just tighten it enough to where you can still move the bracket, but it'll stay on its own. Put a level on top, and then just make a slight adjustment as needed to get it level. Once you've leveled it, it's easy to find the second stud you need to go into. It's going to be about 16 inches from this one. So just use your stud finder. Make a mark. With the second hole drilled, just tighten up your second lag bolt. Snug your second lag bolt, and then come back and finish snugging the first one. So now that we have our first strut installed, it's time to determine what we want to do with our second strut. The system is pretty versatile. You can put it at another level. You can put it in parallel with this one, or you can put it somewhere else in your garage. Installing a Koova bracket is super easy. You need a bracket, a Koova nut, and a Koova bolt. Just insert the bolt into the front, making sure that these ridges are facing the back side of the bracket. As such, loosely tighten it and turn it horizontal. Now, before we place it on the strut, I want to show you how this works. So when you go to tighten this bolt by turning it clockwise, the nut's going to rotate 90 degrees into position and then lock into place. To install a bracket, make sure the nut's horizontal so that it slips into the channel. And then take the screwdriver, turn it clockwise until it tightens. And after you've installed your first bracket, it's time to start hanging up your tools. Now, some of the brackets are over brackets. This is an under bracket, and this is an over bracket. And it installs the same way. It's just kind of upside down, but you can kind of tell by the orientation of these lips on the end which way it should go. So the cool thing about an under bracket and an over bracket is that wide tools can be placed close by without interfering. And actually this one's too wide, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to move that bracket over exactly where you want it. Just loosen it, slide it over, and retighten it. There's absolutely no restriction on where you put the bracket. So as you can see, we decided to go with a single rail across. This is one section here, one section there. We've added all of our brackets. We've arranged them in such a way so we have the unders and the overs so that we can take maximum advantage of the space we have. So here it is, the Koova. If you have any questions, have any problems, just email me, mark@koova.com.